All right, y'all. So we're gonna bring out the next guy. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Damn. Wait.
Yeah, it's all good. They didn't wait. So
Oh, I'm gonna say she waited.
what's your name, bro?
Tyree.
Your name Tyree?
Yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from Michigan.
Michigan?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
26.
26. Okay. We're gonna ask these ladies why they pop their balloon. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ladies, y'all supposed to wait for him to get up here and introduce himself. But you know. So why did you pop? What's your name, first?
Mort.
Why'd you pop?
He not my type.
Okay.
Respect.
What's your name? Why'd you pop?
My name is Kennedy.
Kennedy. Why'd you pop?
Just not my type.
Jenna, you seem like a nice guy. You're just not my type.
Oh, and he light skin.
Damn, like
I don't like light skin.
the 2 Gym.
What's your name? Why you pop?
Kiss, everything, just not my type.
When you say everything, what do you mean? Is it the outfit?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not. What is this?
And she laughing.
Yeah, man, this is I ain't even gonna say borderline disrespectful, extremely disrespectful. Here you have a group of hyenas that can't control themselves, man. Just sitting here laughing in this man's face like, come on, man. Let's keep it a band. Y'all ain't even like, I don't see anybody up there over a 6. If I'm being honest with you. You take away all of this fake weave, the mini blonde eyelashes, this ugly, what is that? Is that called mascara? What is it? Oh, eyelash stuff. What is it?
Yeah, eyelash mascara.
Yeah.
What?
You take away that crap, man. Fresh face out the shower, and I guarantee that's what's gonna humble a lot of these mofos. We got. You know what? I'm gonna look up these Instagrams. We gonna look at these. We gonna find them out. We know just how to weed them out. These five out of 10 are doing too much. Didn't I just say that? Didn't I just say that? Y'all probably can't see. Dang, man. We gonna have to. Hold on. Let me see if I
I
can.
don't know.
What
She
is
not
like the style? What is that? Like,
I'm confused.
the hairstyle.
yeah.
Hold on. Where is it?
Oh,
There it is, right there. There it is, right there. Let me give him another like. I don't like that number. There it is, right there. And he got the perfect doggone picture. My dog. What I'm talking about, man. Like, what's wrong with y'all, man? Oh, like he got episode 2.
Yeah.
Those braids.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Cornrows.
It's just like,
It is.
I don't know.
Hi, I'm Leanne. Yeah, you seem nice. I just don't like light skinned guys. I like chocolate men.
For sure.
Okay. You have anything that you want to say to these ladies or to the
Nah,
audience
that's-
about yourself? What do you do? What do you have going for yourself?
I'm a basketball player and a physical therapist.
Ladies, so none of y'all feel like y'all could. He seems like a pretty nice guy.
You got a diamond in your teeth.
Oh yeah, 2 Gym. Yeah, it's a 2 Gym. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
When you say a basketball player,
Nope. Nope. Hell no. You and that stink A BBL gotta get the hell on, man. Go on about your damn business. Nope. And she digging in her ear while she's talking. Oh my. Ugh. I'm about to put that little what's the name in there. What's smoking? What's the hell on, Felicia?
Yeah.
what you mean? Like you go
I
to the
played
gym
professional
and,
for 3 years.
for what team?
I play in the TBL.
What's that?
You can look it up. It's a professional league in the States.
Okay. You still play right now?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Tyree.
Like, I mean, to Google you. I want to Google you.
Tyree Hicks.
Okay.
All right. So you play basketball. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Got anything you want to say to these ladies?
Nah, y'all respect it. Y'all look good. I like what y'all like.
Okay. I'll fuck with that. All right, bro. So you didn't find your match. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna bring on the next guy. Appreciate you for coming.
Yes, sir.
See you another time. You know what I'm saying?
For sure.
Okay. All right, y'all. So guy number 2 sadly did not find his match, but it's okay. We got another guy coming out. Why did y'all pop on him again, or what was y'all saying?
He was
left
light
now.
skinned. He just won our type. He had a hoop earring, and it was like his hairline.
Oh, you speaking for the ladies?
Oh.
Yeah.
Everything
Yeah.
she said.
Everything but the 2 gems.
The 2 jump.
The haircut really took me out.
I really just didn't know what was going on really with that one.
So no tooth gems. Damn. Next.
You know, she just said it was just him being light skinned and she like dark skinned.
Yeah.
I tell you, boy. I'm telling you, man. Y'all, unfortunately, I was not able to find any of they
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.